Royalty! Royalty!
No matter what, none of you should be alive. None of you should be alive. 1.6, we owe you one. Let's get it back right now. All right, let's go to work. CC, you can fucking go to the Apple today and then fucking release.
That's what I'm gonna do.
And get up there and then go through. They're gonna meet us up there. Toke, you're gonna have friends. The guy's gonna go to Cali and look inside for you.
He does it all every point.
Okay? He's gonna go to Cali and look inside for you. All right? So be prepared for that. That's what I want you to do in case the guy's coming up to help give Toke freedom. And then I want you to release. Then you gotta go to work.
Toke.
Okay?
Toke, look the wrap on Apple, because I'm gonna shoot orange.
What?
Look the wrap on Apple.
Hey, we're not having an apple.
You're just gonna shoot Apple in the fucking face.
No, I know, but we're not gonna have an apple. Okay? We gotta fucking go. Apple's too defensive. We have to release and go. Okay? Jeffrey.
Yeah.
Like the wind. Okay? You can get in here, look inside. You have time. Look inside to chop somebody up, and then you gotta go. Okay? Whatever it takes. We have to kill that guy running wide. He's gonna run the straight corner. Toke, you gotta kill that guy. I don't know how Danny and I missed him. We had a great lane on him.
What?
Hey.
No, I lane Dorito side. I lane the guy. Hey, listen, I lane the guy going corner.
Okay, good.
You had to Cali, you shot him.
Hey, let's go.
Good luck. Here.
Mike, don't sweat up.
Wasn't Rojo out? Yeah. 2 minutes. Oh, there's 20%. No. Okay.
Keep it up, keep it up. Thanks, Judge.
4 minutes. They're going to slow play the shit out of it. They're just going to sit there behind the guns and shoot. Yeah, Josh,
So hey guys, my name's Justin Schwarz. Recently I parted ways with the Ironman. Just really wasn't feeling that I was having fun, and I play this game because it's the love of my life. It's what I do, and it's giving me the opportunity to travel around the world, doing what I love. I'm not really working a job, so. The reason I went to the Texas Storm is because the coach, Ryan Gray, I've known for years. He's a great guy. He runs a store called CHUAVET Paintball out of Texas and Nebraska. And he gave me a call. I decided to play these last 2 events with him, and it's working out really well. I'm having a lot of fun. I'm getting to travel around a lot. And in Europe, I've been playing with Marseille Vision. It's been a lot of fun. Those are my good friends from France, Lionel, Benoit. All those guys, great guys, and they showed a great amount of heart, this year. So we ended up doing really well in the Millennium, took 4th at the last event, and next year it's all up in the air. I'm not sure what's gonna happen. It's paintball, and anything can happen. So to prepare for World Cup, I play paintball every weekend, Saturday and Sunday, and then I'm also doing a lot of weightlifting and speed training drills during the week at the gym. Eating healthy is a big part of my life, and just playing a lot of paintball, getting the gun in my hand as much as I can and doing a lot of drills and just playing as much as I can. My team, we're actually waiting right now. We went 2-2, we tied one of the games, so we're waiting on the last game because there's a lot of teams that are 2-2, so it's gonna come down to point differential. So we're not sure yet, but we did our best and we did what we had to do, so we're just letting the cards fall where they fall. I just started working with HK Army about a month and a half ago. It's going great. They're all my friends from 10 years ago. We all started, grew up playing paintball together, and everything happened with the Ironman and Dye and Raza, and they offered me a job, and everything happens for a reason. So I'm right where I need to be, and haven't been happier. So.
Goggles, goggles, goggles! Hey, goggles. Hey, goggles, goggles. Turn around, turn around. That's my son. I know, put goggles on, guys. Hey, Ted, come on, hurry up! LJ got me pulling penalty. We got a penalty? Yeah, here's somebody. We got a minor. Okay. We're good.